Okay, hello guys, good morning. So let's start our C programming series again back. So basically in the previous sections we completed, I think so, the jumping statement, right? Isn't it? Right now, today's we have the topic that is called to the switch statement, or we can say also the switch case. Okay. So what is exactly our switch in your C programming language? So the switch statement allow you to execute one block of code among many options based on the value of the variable. Means what exactly? You can see over here, guys. I'm going to be a zoom little bit these things. Okay, see over here, I have the code is present, and in that code you can see the cases: case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5. Means you can say that as like a option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4, option 5, or like unlimited options you can able to put inside of that. Now what exactly the switch are happening? Means switch means you can see that as per the definition, the switch statement allow you to execute one block of code. Okay, means what happen? It will be printing your one block of code, or I can say it will be a printing your case 1, maybe case 2, maybe case 3, based on your switch, or we can say based on your condition. Like it's the same like that. Previously you used to the that is your else if statement. Else if statement means what? Whenever you want to be a execute a multiple statement, same like that over here also in your switch you have the multiple statements are available, multiple you can say the options are available, and that will be a print based on your condition or based on your cases. Are you getting? So that is exactly the we calling as a your switch statement. So in that, right now what happened? I gave over here one example. The example is what? I have the days are present. Like guys, in your week we have to the days are present. Like I have the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I created over here case one, case two, case three, case four. Now the thing is what? This is I am passing one value. Like if I am passing the three value, it will be print to the your Wednesday. So what happened? I'm not going to be a print over here as a Wednesday. What happened? I am writing which number I want. So via number wise, it will be switch your days. Means case it will be changed. Like a number will be changed with the cases. Are you getting? So if I am putting over here one number, then it will be print to the your case number one, which one is the Monday. Okay, don't worry, it is not the only theoretically we done. We will go with the practically also, so you can understand much better. But as per the switch, you can see the definition about your switch. The switch is a statement allows you to execute one block of code. Means obviously you have the lot of cases are available, only the one particular case will be the print. Okay, so block of code will be going to be a print among many options based on your value of variable. Means it will be a print based on your variable value. This is, you can see, end date is the variable is equal to value is the 3. So based on your value it will be going to be a print your particular block. Okay, so you understand this stuff. But let's see over here, whenever we are writing switch we need to be declare the four things. Number one, your switch expression, which one we are writing your starting point. Like you can see switch I have the days I want to be converted into your numbers. Are you getting? Or you can say the number I want to switch with your days. So you can say you need to be a start with your switch expression, then after curly bracket open, curly bracket close for the down over here. And apart from that, you can see over here we need to be writing the case or the statements, which one we have the multiple. See, case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5, case 6, case 7, how much you have. And after letter we need to be added over here, that is called to the break also. Why the break? Because suppose I'm writing over here number 1, I want to be a print number 1 value I want to print. Means a case 1 will be the executed, but after when we are writing case 1 we need to be add over here, this is your break. Break means what? Simply when my case 1 it will be a printed, I want to be end of the answer, that is means I want to be a break over here. If we not putting to the break, it will be printed your all this statement. So see, every case I added over here break. See, every case I added over here break. So that is important. Now if suppose somebody are writing right now, guys, we have to the in week 7 days are present, but if suppose somebody's are putting over here 12 number, so what happened, obviously we don't have the 12 case, isn't it? So what we can do, we can write the last one, that is called to the default. Default means what, the last one, so you can say invalid date. Are you getting? So this is the way we can make. So let's go to the start practically also. Let me remove this all things. Okay, let me increase the size of your code editor. I went again back your C programming compiler, online compiler. Then after I'm writing to the, your first particular line, that is called hash include greater than and less than. Inside of that you can write stdio.h. This is the header file of library, which one are taking input and output. Then I'm spacing for the normal spacing. I don't want to be write anything like my code will be a look better. I will be start my int main function. Okay, bracket open bracket close, main function I will be write. After that I want to be write over here my return statement is the 0. This is the end point of your program. Okay, now after when it's done, let's try to the print also something, so we can understand it is work properly. Means we can check that our syntax is proper. Hello, I want to be a print. Okay, it's print, means it's our program is working perfectly. Let me remove these things and let's start back again to your code. So basically what happened, we need to be a first declare your variable. So I'm declaring I want to be take to the variable number. Okay, before that let's decide it which kind of the application we want to make. So guys, let's make to the applications like when people are entering their ID card. Every person having their own unique ID. So when the people are when the people are entering their own ID card, then what happen, it will be when the ID card is matched, then what happen, it will be showing to the that person information. So let's do that simply. Guys, we have our college, and basically whenever you are going to the accounting room, if you want to pay the fees, if you want to be check your fees, what happen, they are asking you ID card, ID number. So when they are entering ID number, what happen, you can able to see your information, isn't it? So basically they are using inside of the switch statement. Let's try it again over here. So int I want to be say over here, basically I have the students are available. You can see the students are available, or I can say the one student is available. Suppose the student number, we have the number 1. Okay, so this is I'm storing. Even you can take input from user also. Okay, right now I'm taking a manually. If you want to be take the input from user, if you don't want to be right over here, then you need to be used to the your sign in, isn't it? I think so. What we need to do, I think so, scanf. Scanf we need to be used, right? Okay, so let's go over here. So I'm passing value a 1 inside of your student. Then after I want to be start my switch case. Okay, so let's start the switch case. I want to be start, and in that switch I want to be a switch my student. Are you getting? So I want to be switch my student with first number. I want to be write case 1. Okay, are you getting the case 1? I want to be say, what is my case 1? I want to say my case 1. Okay, print f, what I want to print, if my case means if my number 1 person is available. Okay, so let's check over here. Print f, I want to be add over here your codes. Then again I will be add over the name of that person. Maybe that first person is the Rohit, or if you want to be declare properly, so you can write also this is the Rohit. You can see Rohit Kadam. Okay, then after if you want in the next line something, you can use over here slash n also. Okay, and in that slash n, next what you want to be right, I want to be right, maybe I want to be check his fees. Are you getting? So fees sections are there. Okay, fees. So let's check, maybe I pay the fees, that is called your 65,000. Okay, dollar or anything, it's depend upon right what exactly your fees. Okay, then again if you want to be add more information, you can add also. So I don't want to be add any more information, so I'm leaving as it is. So this is my case 1 is done. Right now what happened, I want to be used over here. This is your break. Why the break important? Because when your condition 1 is going to be a satisfied, I want to be a stop over here. I don't want to be go with my another second conditions. Are you getting? So let's add your another condition also over here. This is the case number 2. I can say the second person I want to be a print that particular person. Okay, let me take this as it is.